In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop TunnelBear VPN alerts. So if you're getting a lot of notifications from this VPN app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and access the app info page, and you can simply do this by long pressing on your app. Then you should see app info or a settings gear or even the app name. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to the app information page. So here you need to go ahead and look for permissions section, and under permissions, you should see notifications. Currently, all these types of notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving those alerts. To turn them off on your TunnelBear VPN app, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and all the other types of notifications will be permanently turned off unless you go ahead and turn them on again. So that's how you can permanently turn off TunnelBear VPN notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.